not a sponsor. What's up, everybody? Carlos here once again from Premier Cuts. We have another unboxing videos. I know it's just been unboxing, not many reviews, but I'm gonna quench your thirst. You guys remember I unboxed this in my last video. I have been using it, but this whole quarantine thing, we finally just were allowed to start working again. The problem is not a lot of people are coming in. They're still kind of nervous to come in. We've been taking precautions, whatnot, but I've used this on myself several times, and I've used it on several clients that I have been able to cut. And for those impatient people, I will be dropping a review. Just I want to use it more. It is a very solid shaver. My thing is how is it gonna last, durability wise? You know what I mean? But for right now, I'm liking it. Okay, it's not my review, but I'm giving people a little bit of information. This is the kind of information you will get if you're following me on Instagram, where I would be talking more about that stuff. And we're gonna be talking about this guy right here. This razor, people have been asking me to review it. I don't even know how to pronounce Rozia trimmer. It's the HQ242, says the new version, okay? I honestly, as soon as I saw it, I was really a fan that it comes with a stand, okay? That's a big plus for me. If we look around the box, it doesn't give you much information. In the back, it tells you things that that come inside the box, and the same thing for the side. So it's not giving us any information, charge time, use time, stuff like that. That's gonna have to come in the future review of it, but let's just unbox this guy right now. Put this over here. Introduced with a user's manual where we would find out that information as far as reach charge time is an hour, use time is an hour. So right off the bat, there's that information. How accurate is it? That's what the review is about. And then we'll go from here. So let's set this aside. Let's get so it is USB, but it's not fully USB. It's still one of those, like what you would find in a razor. So this is the cable we're talking about here. We have a couple of guards. Looks like we have 4 guards. So we have the 2mm, 1.5, another 2mm, so they gave me the wrong one, I guess, and a 3mm. For anyone who's using it at home and it's not a working professional, yes, I see why you might want to use these. I myself will prefer a full-size clipper to use it to trim down the beard or bring it down, whatnot. But it's nice that they have it in there for you guys. A working professional will never use those guards, at least none that I know of. We also have a little cleaning brush, so here you go. Put that aside. We have a little bit of alcohol. This is oil, clipper oil. Use that. A big fan of the feature that it comes with a little stand. It has little rubberized feet, you can see. That's good, so if you have it on your table, it's not gonna slide off. And then right there is where you would connect it for charging. My problem is this charger does not appear to be very long, so depending on how, where you're gonna put this, it's gonna need to be by a place that you can adapt this to. So we'll see how it works. And finally, let's just see if there's anything in here. Nope, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Let's put this aside and unwrap this guy. So, not a fan. It has a little bit of bubbling right here and right here. This is where you're gonna see your LED light indicator. It feels pretty solid. Okay, it doesn't just naturally screw off. We have a 2-speed motor, which I've never been a really big fan of, but sound test for speed level number 1, and then this is speed level number 2. Feels like it's a solid motor. Let me see what this does. So if I'm looking at it, this is not zero gapped, so I'm wondering if it can be zero gapped, and if it can, I'm gonna definitely be using it with the original blade. I have a feeling this is gonna need to be modded somehow to get it like a better blade on it. But right now we will be testing it with the actual blade it comes with, because not everybody knows how to do mods, even though if you show them a step-by-step tutorial. And then this is where you're gonna charge it right here. Let's take a look around it. Like I said, it's a 2-step motor, has a little indicator 0, 1, and 2. It's branding. It feels like a pretty solid, durable plastic. It's not a metal construction in any means. And that's really it when it comes to this machine. We have the docking station right here. I'm a fan of docking stations. Let's actually see if I can connect and what the LED light looks like. Imagine it would be red and then green or blue when it's fully charged. Okay, so this is the length of the actual cord, which to me, that's just not a very big cable whatsoever. Let's connect this guy here. And as you see, it comes in as a red light, which is, it's nice. That's nice. It's good. And that's the unboxing, guys. Remember, bear with me with the reviews. I will be using this in the shop. I will be using it on myself, first and foremost, and going from there. As far as any more information, there's not much. You know, I did tell you it says it's about an hour run time and an hour of charge time. 1 second, guys. And then as far as that's about it. I definitely do like the design, but it's not, you know, it's not the best looking machine, but it's definitely not the worst looking machine. And we're gonna be going on from there. Guys, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll be giving a little bit more behind the scene detail about while I'm using it, how it feels, and how well it works. And then I would follow up by having a full review of this guy. So this is the unboxing video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. As always, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, I will see you around. Peace.